Here I am again for another weekly analysis on gold for this week. So in this video I will basically say where I think the price on gold will go, and I will show you my important key levels for the week. So if you follow or respect them, we will just follow a certain path. So let's see. But first things first, I would just say that in the previous week I did not upload the video and did not record the video because I was on vacations. I was not at home. So I could not record and upload the weekly analysis. So I'll just start again uploading every single Monday. So let's talk about that. So let's mark the important levels for the week. So here we have some levels. So here, as you can see, like in the previous weeks, we have swept already this gap. Then we had a bit of a reaction, but then, as I said, I would expect that we would go here, we would sweep this high, mitigate this bearish fair value gap, and then we would continue going lower, and that was exactly what happened. So now we just rejected here, and then we gone even lower. We have swept already this low, and we had here a bit of a reaction. So now, as you can see, we have already inverted these two bearish PD arrays. So now we are starting to form a bullish structure after those very bearish weeks. So now we might start seeing a bit of a bullish relief. So as you can see, we have swept here, then we had the reaction. Here we rejected, but then we just inverted all the gaps that we had here. We have already broke structure to the upside in this candle. So we are starting to form a bullish structure. So basically, if we hold above these two inversion of the gaps, I would expect a continuation higher in this week. So basically I am more bullish than bearish for the week. So we just need to hold these two inversion of the gaps if you want to have a continuation higher. Here, if we just hold above, we might see a continuation higher to this high. Then I would need to see what would happen, but honestly I would expect a bearish reaction. Here we have a lot of liquidity here, and we are also inside of a bearish daily fair value gap. So here we might see a continuation higher to this high, and then we might see a rejection again, and then a continuation even lower. But for now, in this week, I expect a bullish continuation higher. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and in the next week I'll be back. So very simple plan. We are starting to form bullish structure. If we hold above these two inversion of the gaps, I would expect a continuation higher to this high. So in this week we might see a continuation to this high, and then we might see a bearish reaction. But for now, I expect a bullish continuation. I expect a bullish week. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you in the next week.